Hello Hungry Fam, I'm Akansha and welcome to our channel. Finally, today is the last video with the old format and I'm going to make my favorite starters, honey chili potatoes. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. These are all the ingredients I'm going to need. First, peel the potato. Cut off a small bottom part to make a flat surface for the base. Again, cut a small part to make the sides flat. Now cut into 1/4 inch slices. We just have to give the potatoes the basic French fry shape. This is the thickness you want. Take one slice and cut it into sticks like so. Repeat the same for 2 big size potatoes. Add these fries in boiling hot water. Also add 1 tablespoon salt. Mix and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Remove it on a paper cloth and transfer it in a bowl when it's warm itself. Add 1 tablespoon maida, 1 tablespoon corn flour and coat the potatoes into this dry mix. In a different bowl, again add 1/4 cup maida, 1/4 cup corn flour, half teaspoon salt, mix. Then add about half cup of water. Whisk till you get a lump-free semi-thick batter. Add the fries in the batter and coat it properly. I would suggest to use your fingers itself as it's more convenient. Now drop these fries in hot oil one by one. Deep fry till they are slightly golden. And it's okay if they are sticking at first, they'll separate apne aap. Remove it on a wire rack and not on any other tissue since it will make it soggy. Now we have to fry it again on high temperature oil for only 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. This will make sure that the fries are super crispy from the outside and soft from the inside. For the honey chili sauce, add 1 tablespoon oil in a wok, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 4 green chilies, 2 tablespoon garlic. Saute for a minute. Then add 4 small onion parts from the spring onions, 1/4 of the capsicum. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Mix and add half teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix again and add 1 tablespoon of any red chili sauce you like. Mix it. Then add corn flour slurry, which is 3 tablespoon water mixed with 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix and let it cook for 5 minutes until the sauce thickens. Finally, switch off the flame and add 1 tablespoon honey. Mix it again and add the fries in 2 batches to make sure that each and every fry is coated with the sauce. Garnish it with green onions and toasted sesame seeds. Serve it immediately and enjoy when it's hot itself. The taste is so good. It's sweet, spicy, tangy and crunchy. Just give this delicious recipe a try and let me know your feedback. For the giveaway, once again, thank you so much for all your love. Don't be disheartened if you don't win this time. There are going to be a lot of giveaways and contests in the future. So the winners for 100k special are Crafty Web, who is Weber Somana for Gadget 1, that is Watermelon Cutter, Rijula Roy for Gadget 2, that is Vegetable Slicer, and Prathishta Kadam for Gadget 3, that is Egg Cracker. Congratulations to all the winners. Kindly send me your detailed address via mail or DM me on Instagram. Today's shout out goes to Vaibhavi Pujari, Harpreet Singh and Sohail Salim. If you want a shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.